All right, we're going to do something for my kitchen towel. I've selected this. We're going to do NoWeed Foil. So we're in preview. We're going to go into print. That's pretty big, so I'm going to scale it down a bit to 75%. That should be good. Want to make sure our printer is set on the Oki. We're at A4. We're going to go to paper feed. Make sure we've got our multi-purpose tray selected. Then we're going into print options and set our media type as labels. And we'll probably, let's go into layout. We'll mirror image it just because. Okay, we flipped it. And now we're going to print. Load it in, watermarks down. Press that button so it grabs. Okay. We're going to lay the image down. Straight. We've got the press at 315 degrees, and we press it for 10 to 15 seconds. Hot peel the transfer. Then we're going to lay our NoWeed foil on top. Cover with release paper and press 20 seconds. Now we want to cool it. And you should start seeing these things, these images come through. Then we're going to grasp the upper edges and carefully roll back. And it is successful. How cute is that? Okay, that's Ellie's kitchen. It's on there. I put my foil down. I mirrored the image. Let's make it. So we're ready to go. Let's put it into fast mode, why don't we? It's been squeegeed to the back. And then we're going to heat press for 20 seconds. Very cute.
For more craft tutorials, please go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you.